How to fix sound issues on a YouTube TV. If you're experiencing sound problems on a YouTube TV, such as no sound or distorted audio, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check TV and device volume. Increase TV volume. Ensure the TV volume is not muted or set too low. Check external device volume. If using an external streaming device, ensure its volume is turned up. Mute or unmute. Press the mute button on your remote to ensure sound is enabled. Step 2. Restart the YouTube TV app. Close the app, exit the YouTube TV app completely. Reopen the app, relaunch the app, and check if the sound works. Step 3. Check audio settings. Ensure proper audio output. On your TV, go to Settings Sound Audio Output and select the correct output, for example, TV speakers, soundbar, or home theater system. Adjust sound format. Set the audio format to PCM or stereo if the current setting is incompatible with your TV or sound system. Step 4. Test sound on other apps. Open a different app on your TV, for example Netflix, Hulu, to see if the sound issue is specific to YouTube TV. If other apps also have no sound, the issue may be with your TV or audio setup. Step 5. Restart your device. Turn off and unplug, power off your TV or streaming device and unplug it from the wall outlet. Wait 30 seconds. Leave the device unplugged for a few seconds. Turn it back on. Plug the device back in and power it on. Step 6. Check internet connection. Test your connection. Poor internet connections can cause audio delays or interruptions. Run a speed test to ensure a stable connection, at least 3 megabits per second for standard streaming, 13 megabits per second for HD. Restart your router, unplug your router or modem for 30 seconds, and reconnect. Step 7. Update YouTube TV app and TV software. Update the app. Go to your TV's app store, search for YouTube TV, and install updates if available. Update TV firmware. Check for software updates in Settings Support Software Update. Step 8. Reinstall YouTube TV. Uninstall the app. Navigate to the Apps section on your TV and remove YouTube TV. Reinstall the app. Download and reinstall the app from your TV's app store. Step 9. Test with a different device. Use a phone, tablet, or computer to play YouTube TV and check if the sound works. This will help determine if the issue is with the app or your TV. Step 10. Contact support. If none of the steps resolve the issue, contact YouTube TV support or your TV manufacturer for further assistance. These steps should help you resolve sound issues on a YouTube TV and restore your audio experience.